Hello and welcome to my channel. Today in this video I will explain step by step in detail how to change the default font in any computer or laptop that using Windows 10. Generally, Segoe is the default fonts in Windows 10. That fonts are used for all files, folder and all programs name mostly everywhere in your computer or laptop. So, how to change those fonts in your computer or laptop? So first, search for Control Panel. Click on Control Panel. Click on Fonts. There are so many fonts available. So any fonts you would like to have in your computer, you can write down the name and see how it looks. I'm selecting Algerian. This is, you can see how it looks. So if you like it, so that's mean try the fonts how that looks and works before you replace it. To replace new fonts in your any computer or laptop, it will be requiring to create .reg file on desktop. I have set up a text file with the code name newfonts.txt to replace new fonts. Also another text file with the code name oldfonts.txt to revert back to default fonts in case you want to get back your original fonts. These two files that you can download from the link below. I have provided a link to download for both text files in description below. Save those both text files on your desktop. I have already saved on my desktop. So click New Fonts, copy, open Notepad, paste. Now here enter new font's name. So I have selected Algerian. As my new font. So now I need to save new fonts .reg. That was text file. This should be .reg and select all files. Then save on desktop. Click. Are you sure you want to continue? Yes. The key and value contained successfully added to registry, so click OK. Now computer need to be restarted to get new fonts in effect. So I will need to restart the computer. Now I have restarted the computer and you can see all the fonts has been changed in my computer. All the files, folders, everything, all the place, the font has been changed. Now if you want whatever you select, so you can keep it. But some reason if you don't like it and you want to get back to your old original fonts, so then you can delete this file delete this one, the new fonts. Okay, now click on all fonts, copy, open new notepad, paste, save as old fonts.reg. You can have any name, only it's required on end.reg. Then you save back on desktop. Make sure you select all files. Click to save. Close. Now you got this file right here. You can click. Are you sure you want to continue? Click yes and click OK. Now I'm going to delete old fonts.txt file since I don't need it anymore. Once I delete text file, I got my original Segoe fonts back into my PC. So that's it for this video, and thank you for watching my video. Have a good one. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, then please subscribe and hit the bell of notification so you will get notification as soon as I upload a new video. I wish you best luck for all your future projects. See you later next time.